born poor, mama was too. Walking through the snow, plastic bags on their shoes. Papa selling houses, sleeping in a car. 4 babies in the backseat, underneath the stars. Well, hey, hey, just work a little harder. Hey, hey, punching that clock with work and prayer and a little bit of luck. Make so much money, need a 10-ton truck. Ha, 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 ha.
Hey there. Good morning. Paul McMann here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Thursday, October 16th, 2025, 6:30 in the morning. So glad you could join me this morning. Here at Forex Smart Trade, we help people trade profitably, and we use that by teaching you how to trade with our simple but very accurate proprietary trading indicators. Trading allows you to earn more and work less. I've been trading for 7 years. It has been one of the best things I've ever done. We are so confident we can teach you to do this profitably that once we've trained you, we'll let you trade with our money and split what you make. So it's a win-win for both of us. We make money when you make money. Our interests are aligned. And when you have that, it's a recipe for success. This morning, what I'm going to do is go over one of our dozen different trade strategies. When we coach someone, we develop a customized trade plan based around your availability to trade and your risk preferences. This is the one that suits me. So before we get going, we need to listen to this guy, and then we'll see what the market has for us.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
We teach with a number of different tools. We have videos that break down each piece. We've got a detailed curriculum. It's been developed over the last 17 years. So we focus specifically on those things that you need to know and cut out the things that you don't need to know. Again, we want to make it simple and effective. So we've got the videos, we've got group training sessions, we have these live trades where an experienced trader like myself will come online and walk you through their process. I do 3 live trades a week, Monday afternoon and Tuesday and Thursday morning. I also, the company also does a live trade and every morning at 9:30. I do another live trade at 10:30. On that live trade, I'm just looking at the chart. If there's a trade there, I tell you. I'm not walking you through how I'm thinking about it like I am here. And then every evening at around 4:15, I send an overnight trade. I do tell you how I come up with that. When you become a member, every morning we do a live trade at 10 a.m. Every evening at 6 p.m. We are big believers in constant coaching. When you work with us, you work with us for a year, and it's that constant repetition. Professionals practice. We are professionals. We practice. We have coaches. All the great ones have a coach. I have a little checklist that I go through, so I make sure I'm not missing anything. During the trade session, I don't really take questions, but if you have questions, questions are good. Questions are important. just get on my calendar, and then we'll go through them together. While I'm on the session, I'm really just focused on trying to find a trade. The best way to figure out if this is for you is just to sign up for our trial. We'll give you access to the indicators. I'll give you some one-on-one coaching so that you can test it out, see that it works, be convinced that it works, and see if it's for you. If the way we do things fits how you like to do things. Got office hours every week at 3:30. Link is in the daily trade results email. Every morning you should refresh your green chart. It clears out the memory, picks up any updates. One of the protocols that you should have as part of your how you do things is at the end of every day, you should be taking a look at the trades that didn't go the way you wanted to and try to figure out why. We've got a simulator built into our indicators that lets you go back to that specific point in time and see exactly what the chart was telling you. We are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action, but news does impact currency prices. So we want to know what the news events are that are coming up that might move the market. And I like to get that at forexfactory.com. Forex Factory breaks things down into three components. Yellow, which is low impact. We ignore those. Orange, which is medium impact. I ignore those. And red, which is high in impact. These are guys we want to trade around. So the only red thing we've got coming up this morning is at 1:30 for the Bank of Canada. So we are going to any trade we take this morning will be done before, well before this. So we've got kind of clear sailing. The trade I am going to do is something called a 10-point trade. I like to take it off of a 1-hour chart. On a 1-hour chart, trades are worth anywhere from 5 to 35 pips. Generally, I like to get at least 11 pips on a trade. Only time I will, generally I'm looking for 11 pips. If I don't think the trade has 11 pips in it, I'm generally not going to take it. Although sometimes on these live trades, if we don't see anything good, I'll go for a little scalp trade using a different strategy. So there are 3 sections to the chart. This middle section, the majors and minors. This top section, the TNTs, and this bottom section, the pressure. And basically the strategy is that each section is measuring something different. I want the lines in all 3 sections to agree, and when they do, we've got a good trade. It's a higher probability trade because as each section is measuring something different, when they all agree, there's more of a probability that the trade will do what we want. Chart we're going to trade off of is something called the Light 6 Major. It's one of our standard charts. It is a composite chart. It's showing me 6 different currency pairs. We start with the middle section, which is the majors and minors. The red and green line is the major indicator. The black and gray line is the minor indicator. This horizontal red line is the oversold line. This horizontal blue line is the overbought line. I am looking for situations where we started oversold and the lines are going up, like here. And then you get the up candles, or overbought and the lines are going down and you get the red candles. So here we are overbought, but we don't have agreement. I want all the lines going down. So since we don't have that, we pass. I don't need to look at the rest of the chart. Euro USD, we're in the middle of the chart. It seems to be turning. But again, not all the lines are going down. The majors are kind of sideways here. Pound USD, overbought. Everybody's coming down. There's four things I'm looking for. One, that we started overbought. Two, that all the lines are going down, which they are. Three, I've got what I call a double cross, where the red line, if it's going down, the red line's crossed over the green, and you can see it peeking out here. And the black line's above the gray line, which it is. And then four, what's the steepness of the green line? And here, I want it better than 45 degrees. So I have that. When I have all four elements I want here, I jump up to the TNT and count how many lines are supporting the sell signal I see here. So the two orange lines are going down, telling me sell. Dotted blue is going up. The blue lines are inversely related. So when blue goes up, that means sell. So I get three of the four telling me sell. Then if I have this, I jump down to the pressure, and I want the lines either going down to support a sell or the red line on top. And I don't have that here. So I'm going to pass. Here again, the miners aren't all going down, and here we don't have all of them going down. So I'm going to pass. Dollar, Canadian dollar, majors are sideways. Dollar, Swiss franc, majors are sideways. Dollar, Canadian dollar, overbought. Everybody's going down. The red's on top, the black's on top, and good steepness on the green line, better than 45 degrees. This looks sideways. The orange looks sideways, horizontal, and both oranges look horizontal, and both blues are going down. So we don't have the TNTs in agreement. I want three of the four, and we don't have any. So we're going to pass on this. I've cloned this chart, and I've got 6 more pairs that are non-USD pairs. Euro pound, oversold. Everybody's going up. Double cross, green and gray are on top. Green line is just at 45 degrees, it looks like. 2 oranges going up, dotted blue coming down, so 3 of the 4. I've got very steep down pressure with red on top. So the pressure isn't with me, so I'm going to pass. Australian dollar, yen, overbought. Everybody's going down, double cross. Red's on top, green's on top. Steepness is better than 45 degrees. Problem with this trade is it is evening in both of these markets. Since we're trading on a 1-hour chart, I want one of the markets to actively be trading. So since I don't have that, I'm going to pass. Euro, Canadian dollar, majors are sideways. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, majors are sideways. Pound yen, overbought. Everybody's coming down. Double cross, red and black are on top. Good steepness on the green line. 2 orange lines coming down. Dotted blue coming up. So 3 of the 4. I've got up pressure with red on top. So this is everything I'm looking for. So 1 point here, 4 points here, 3 points here. When I have everything that I want here, then I go to a full chart, and a full chart shows me instead of multiple pairs, it shows me multiple time periods. 1 pair, but different time periods. So here's a 1-hour chart that we were just looking at. Here's a 2-hour, a 4-hour, an 8-hour, 12D. And what I'm looking for on the 2 and the 4-hour is I want to see that we're overbought. I want to see that the majors are overbought. And the reason I want both of these overbought is if they are overbought, there's less of a chance that we'll get stopped out. And they are overbought. They don't need to be going down. Like here, everybody's going down, and here, almost everybody's going down. I don't need that. I just want them up here. So I have that. Now on this trade, some of the trades, it's a predetermined take profit. So for example, like on the overnight trade with the Euro USD, it's 11 pips. Here, we need to figure it out. And to figure it out, I need to look at a clean chart. And I'm going to do that. And I have support and resistance since I trade the pound yen. I already kind of have support and resistance built in here. And support and resistance are spots where the candles seem to naturally stop. And these natural stopping points become the place that I'm going to trade within the range of where the natural stops are. So I want to know how much room we have from where we are to the next stopping point. So here is 13 pips up and 32 pips back. And we are trading, we're kind of trading into an uptrend here, but I guess the trend broke up. There was some news. Back up. So 13 pips. I think we'll go for, I think we'll go ahead and take this. We're going to take 9 pips, 9 pips sell on the euro, on the pound yen. So open up your, you can do it in your simulator, or if you're using MetaTrader pound yen, new order. I am going to, this is trading at 200 to 1 margin. This is a demo account. So if I move this decimal place over 4 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1.12. I can trade anywhere from half of that to double it. I'm going to just trade with a 0.20 market sell. It records it. I'm going to right click, go to modify. And we said 9 pips. So 9 pips is 90 points. And I'm going to use a 3 to 1. So 27 pips, add a 0 to convert points to pips. Click the little red button, it does the math. And just in looking at this, I'm going to just pull this up just a little bit because I don't want to be touching that wick. See here? I don't want to be touching that wick. That means there's less of a chance of us getting stopped out. So we took a sell on the Great Britain pound for 9 pips with a take profit of 203.073, 203.073, a stop loss of 203.505, 203.505. Let us see what else we have. Euro Australian dollar oversold sideways. Again, I've cloned the chart. Let's go to the next group. Canadian dollar yen. Overbought. Everybody's coming down. Double cross. Good steepness on the green line. We only have 2 of the 4. Thin orange is coming down. Thick blue is coming up. I want at least 3 of the 4, so we're going to pass. Euro, New Zealand. So with the yen, anything with the yen, on the second spot is going down. Euro, New Zealand dollar, overbought. Everybody's coming down. Double cross. Good steepness on the green line. 2 oranges going down. Dotted blue coming up. Sideways pressure with green on top. So the pressure isn't quite there yet. Red line's going down, but the green line is horizontal, so we're going to wait. We don't have the double cross here. New Zealand dollar, yen, overbought. Everybody's coming down, double cross. Good steepness. Again, only 2 of the 4 here. Not quite strong enough yet. Thin orange is coming down. Thick blue is coming up. This thick orange on both of these guys is horizontal. So let's see what else. Dollar, gold dollar, overbought going up. Euro, Swiss franc, overbought going up. Let's go to the next group. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, overbought going up. Swiss franc, yen. We touched overbought. Everybody's coming down. Double cross. Terrific steepness on the green line. 2 orange lines coming down. So we only have 2 of the 4 here. But we do have down pressure, sell pressure with red on top. Let's take a look at this. Because we have the pressure, I might overlook that we only have 2 of the 4 here. So Swiss franc yen. Now we already have a trade with the Swiss franc with the yen. So overbought going down, overbought. So I have my confirmation. What's the trade worth? So let's take a look. Let's drop some support and resistance in here. Where it seems to naturally stop right in here, over here, in here, here. So let's open it up. It's kind of a sideways trend. Here's a downtrend. Here's an uptrend. And so we got about 30 pips down. $24 pips back. Oh, it's moving while we're talking here. 13 pips. Let's look at it one more time. I think we can go ahead and also take a sell on the Swiss franc yen. A sell on the Swiss franc, yen, and we will take 13 pips. 13 pips. So Swiss franc, yen, I don't think I have that open. Let's get rid of some of these guys here. So file, new chart, Swiss franc. I don't see it. Swiss franc, yen. Oh, there it is. Let's make it a 1 hour chart. New order. I'm going to also keep this at 2. Market sell. Right click. Modify. I'm going to make it 13 pips. And 3-to-1, 39 pips stop loss. And again, I'm going to just adjust this to move it up just a little bit above here. So there's less of a chance of us getting stopped out. So we took a 13 pip sell with a take profit of 189.571, 189.571, 190.168. So that's 189.571, 109.168. Let's just go back and look at our pound yen. Let's just close this out. It's close enough. We're going to close this right now. So close order. So now we just have one. We have just one open trade on the Swiss franc yen. If you want to learn to trade, you need to find somebody who's good at it and get them to teach you. That's the best way. YouTube channels. You can get some information, but it's inefficient. You don't know. You don't know how good the person is who's giving you the information. Here we come on every day. We take live trades. We are very confident in our ability to make money. So confident that we'll let you trade with our money. We are efficient in that as you do things, questions come up, and you get better by being able to go to someone to ask questions and to learn from someone who's already been there, done that. So we think we provide a good mechanism for you to learn by. The indicators have been around a long time. They've proven themselves over and over and over. So if you want to learn, come see us. We'll get you set up. Have a terrific morning, and we'll check back in around 10:30 and see what the market has for us. Bye-bye.